Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new exciting collaboration. I was contacted by a company called Craspire. They asked me if I would try a few of their products and make videos in exchange. So I agreed and they kindly sent me a few items of my choice. But as always, I will give you my honest opinion about the products. For your information, Craspire is a wax seal stamp manufacturer based in China. On their website, you can find tons of wax seal stamp designs and all the equipment you need to create wax seal stamps. They also accept a custom design, so you can make a wax seal stamp using your own design. You can find the link to their website and my discount code in the description below. Now let's take a look at the items I've got. First, I've got this wax seal stamp starter kit in blue color. For you who want to start to use wax seal stamps, this kit comes very handy because it has all you need to create some wax seals. In this kit, there's this wax seal warmer, it also includes 2 candles. Then you will get this wax melting spoon. And of course a wax seal stamp head with 1 handle. There are a lot of different pretty handles available on their website that you can choose. And then there are also these wax beads in this kit. Actually, you just need one handle for multiple stamp heads to stamp. On their website, there are a lot of stamp head designs, and they also have some shaped stamp heads, just like this oval stamp head with a bunny design on it that I picked out separately. Well, that's all for today. I'm going to share how I used all of these items in my next videos. There will be 2 videos coming up here on my channel in the next few weeks, so please stay tuned for those. Thank you so much for watching and see you in my next video.